amputated hands or something you do not want to leave behind.
Yeah, I think blowing up blood vessels also probably would be a good idea.
Yeah.
He said blood, so.
Never specify blood vessels. Yeah.
Oh, there we
My
go.
hand's swollen like crazy.
What about a singular one?
Jason, say cheese.
Who knew the camera was not
Actually taking a picture, you just make me like smile for the video here.
Smile for the video. I don't think there are pictures on this.
Oh,
Are there? I don't know how to take them.
I don't know where we go.
Oh wait,
It
never
said
mind.
cheese and I was waiting for a
Because
flash.
I think we kind of trapped ourselves in here now. Try to think the other way out the keyhole. Seeing every other package form in the
Rabbit hole.
That was outside the keyhole.
That was before the keyhole.
Exactly, you had to go through the keyhole.
No,
Yeah,
but you don't have to go. Okay, if you went through the rabbit hole, you didn't have to go through it.
You don't. How do we get back to the rabbit hole?
No, we don't have to go through the keyhole. The rabbit hole goes to this room.
Well, we're in this room.
Too many
We're
holes.
not trapped. We can always do that. Plus, if we need to, we can go through the keyhole. But we don't need to, because there's the rabbit hole.
It's so hot. Well, we're so deep
Jackson.
Here. Stop. You're gonna break the clip.
Wait, that's a path right there. There's a path down that way.
There.
Down that way,
It's
see?
not very deep.
Can
I stuck my hand in a bucket of water. I was gonna drink it.
No.
There's a
Do
path
not
down
drink
that
cave
way.
water.
It was so clear.
50 feet.
Don't drink cave
It
water.
was full of minerals.
Clear or not is not a good idea.
Okay.
Because guess what? There's this thing called bacteria.
And it wasn't still. I mean, after I put my hand in it, it wasn't still.
I touched
There's
it
this
too.
thing called
I might die.
bacteria. I already found mushrooms down here.
Yeah, if you put the passageway over there,
Tiny
you can
little
look down,
ones.
You can hear people speaking Chinese coming from down below.
I did. Oh, I'm gonna go that way.
Wait, you can?
No.
Oh,
There's only one way to find out.
I'm Mexican.
The air is so dusty.
I mean,
Guys, we're not
wonder
seeing
why.
our breath. We're not seeing our breath. We're seeing dust.
I think we might be seeing our breath.
no, the dust is the little tiny white spots that are floating around.
You are seeing your breath because
It's kind of cold.
Because it's cold.
It's cold.
I took on
not
my
cold,
No, it's hot.
humid.
It's hot. It is very humid in here. It's hot because the water vapor coming out of your mouth is
Yeah,
turning
look
into
around.
water
See
vapor.
what he says.
I've been stuck here for 20 minutes now.
You have sweat on your face.
Where are you trying to go?
We don't know where we're trying to go.
My tongue
That way.
Yeah. As soon as Jackson moves.
We want to go to a big area.
Now we have three James.
It's not a big
Two
area.
James.
Small
We
area?
still have two James.
Ish.
Never mind.
I'll say he was.
I wonder why Carson didn't come in here.
Honestly, I was hoping he did because he.
No. Carson refuses.
Why? No. I want to go down below. Go to the chimney?
I really
the chimney's where
wanted
it's
him
like a
to
6 foot
because
drop. Yeah.
He's claustrophobic and too scared to face his fear.
he's a wimp.
Oh, it feels so nice now that I
Dude,
I was afraid of caves at one
I can't
point.
wait till we get into like.
Then you did
It's
it.
probably not gonna be.
You saw
Nah,
it.
it's probably gonna be heated in the.
I saw the
like,
fun because I
at the
could get
buffet,
dirty
so-
and not get in trouble.
I'm gonna beg them to turn.
My
their
mom wouldn't be
heater
like,
down and
No,
just
I'm
turn
gonna
it
have
off
to-
and make
"You
it
ruined your clothing."
After we get out of this, it'll probably be right around freezing, and you have to change all your clothes into your clean clothes that will also be freezing.
Quite a few minutes ago.
So don't
Where are
worry
we going
about
to
it.
change into our clean clothes?
In a tent.
Dwight's gonna set up a tent, or like a
A
tall
canopy with sides.
tent. There we go. A canopy with sides. But, no, trust me, by the time you get to the restaurant, the warmth will feel good.
Which way is the keyhole? Chimney. Which
That
way
way?
do we get out? Yeah, we have.
Which way can we
And there's
move?
just like zero answer.
I cannot really move.
I could get around living in here
There's nowhere for
forever.
me to move.
Go eat the
Food.
I'm just
mushrooms,
sitting down right now.
tiny mushrooms.
But there's nowhere
What
for me
about
to
that
move
thing?
because I can't go.
I'll survive on that.
I can
Do you
slide
realize
down
a
right
lot
now.
of
I drank
mushrooms
some
are
like
poisonous?
blood.
You unlikely that one is?
I don't have my.
There's There's a little bit of, there was like a little
Can't just
speck of
grow
like
in a
clay on the
video.
top of my thing.
Fine,
Yo, I had
grab
that
it.
right-
I'll grab it, so
I
then if I can't find my way out, it'll just be
There was like a little bit
There's
of
a
like,
light back there.
clay, I guess, on down here.
There
So I
was.
wiped it off and had a little shit, I guess,
Yeah.
on it. Is that better?
I see some.
Can I borrow some water?
Oh,
No.
hi Alan.
Go back.
Well, I'm very sure it's a pencil tip.
I should grab I should grab like a sticky note
Hello over there.
and a pencil and write like, we've been stuck down here for 3 days.
They going that way. Okay.
Help. We
All
are
right. You guys are coming this way.
we are in the cave. We are
Eric.
in the keyhole. We are stuck.
We're going back through where we came.
We tried to fit
Alright, sounds like a plan.
Okay, guys, we're going that way. That way? Oh. Let's go. To Jackson. Yes, we just go up. Just just vertical climbing. We're following Jackson. Oh, and it's tight.
Eh.
I'm next.
Why are you next?
Because I'm net. I'm behind him.
Whoa, wait.
Well, you're not. Please don't. Oh shit. Are we cooked? Charlie, am I gonna have to take off my bag? You shouldn't. We're screwed.
We're gonna.
Stuck?
I don't know.
Come on, take off.
Try and take your bag off.
I tried to, but my arm that it is.
Luke, go. Guys, we gotta get out.
I need help.
Charlie, can you help him?
Here, grab my hand.
No, I can't go that way. I have to go this way.
I'm dying in here. So hot.
I got it.
You got it?
Alan! Ow! We're dying. I'm going stir crazy. I'm gonna die.
Who wants the GoPro?
Why'd you take your helmet?
No.
I don't have a GoPro mount.
Hold on. I'm gonna go give it to Alan.
Well, we don't know where Alan is. We lost Alan.
We can probably find him. Keyword find probably.
Like at the exit thing. Oh, you guys came out the stairs. Oh, how fun was it? Oh,
Jacob almost got stuck.
And I'm the small one. I think.
Jacob, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys, look.